Alright, we got our stereo for Toyota Tacoma from 2005 to 2015. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We got our device here. Let's keep it aside and look at the other stuff first. We got our wiring packaging. Let's set it aside. We got more wiring. Let's set it aside as well and have a look at it later. Then we got our backup camera and a long extension cord. We will open that one as well. And we got our user manuals, installation guide, and our warranty card. Let's keep that aside. Now let's open up our power harness first. Let's see what we have. In the power harness, we got a stock USB cable that we can use to use our stock radio cables. And then we got our power harness with multiple ports. Not every car uses all the cables. Since Toyota has a lot of stock radios, we'd like to cover all of these cables in just one harness. But yeah, not all cars use all the ports. We got our CAN bus. This uses your steering wheel controls, your sound, your time, temperature, and stuff like that. So this must be connected when you're installing the stereo. We got other cables for like the radio and subwoofer, and we also got our power port. This cable powers your stereo. So yeah, all in all, these all need to be connected in order for your stereo to power up. Let's keep these aside. Then we got other cables. Let's have a look what other cables that we have. We got our frame removal tool. We got our RCA cable. This RCA cable bundle, it's used for the headrests and subwoofers and amp controls. As you can see the labels here. We got our external microphone. Let's open it up. Now we got our GPS, USB ports, and our backup camera control. This is a backup camera control wire. It also has two antennas. One is for Bluetooth and one is for Wi-Fi. We got our GPS antenna. This goes onto your radio, and then this goes onto your dashboard. You can keep it on your dashboard or under the dashboard. Both are fine. Then we have two USB ports. These come with the radio. You can either use these or the one that we previously mentioned, the stock radio cable. You can use the 4-pin port. If you want to use your stock radio cable, you use this one as an adapter and plug it in. If you don't want to use this, then you can use these two. Now we got our backup camera. The backup camera extension cord comes with two RCAs that you can feed from the front to the back. And now let's have a look at our backup camera. Now finally, let's have a look at our device. We got our side keys here, our reset button, and our internal mic. The bezel and the stereo do come already mounted. So here we got our fuse, our power cable, and all the other cables that need to go in here as we previously mentioned.